All right, before we start writing integration tests for our Vidly application, there are a few things we need to tweak here. If you haven't coded along with me so far, you can download this project from this lecture. Now, let's go to index.js. Earlier, when we refactored this module, I made a mistake on line 5. I required this login module, but I forgot to call this function. So make sure to call this, otherwise our login is not going to work. Now, let's go to package.json. Here in our npm scripts, change the test command and add the verbose flag. This helps you troubleshoot problems when something goes wrong. With this flag, Jest will output extra information in the console, and if something goes wrong, you can use that information to troubleshoot the problem. And finally, the last thing we need to change, let's go to the logging module. So earlier I explained how to use this module to log to MongoDB. For some reason that I haven't figured out yet, this module will prevent us from running integration tests on our application. So when we run our tests using Jest, the terminal window freezes. This may not happen on your machine or with the version of Winston-MongoDB you are using, but on my machine, this is not working. So we have to temporarily comment this out so we can focus on integration tests. And hopefully in the future, we'll figure out how to fix this problem. So comment this out, and also make sure here on line 14, comment out these few lines for adding MongoDB as a transport to Winston. All right, so make sure to apply these 3 changes before going any further. I quickly recap. In index.js, we added parentheses on line 5. In package.json, we added the verbose flag. And in login module, we disabled Winston-MongoDB plugin.